No, we're going to take a video.
Oh.
Okay, you want to go open your present?
Yeah.
All right, this way. It's on the couch. Right there. See? Can you open it?
Open it, Mom.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn it this way. You help me?
This way. Yeah.
All right, rip it open. Good. Who is that? What is it?
No.
Open the page. Open it up. Keep turning the page. Turn the page, Logan.
To record, move switch to unlock position.
Turn the page. Another one. One more.
To record, move switch to unlock position.
Nope, turn the page. Next page.
No.
This way.
This way.
Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung to
Turn the next page. And you hear Nani's voice again.
Christmas when all through the house not a creature. And then in a twinkling I heard on the roof rapid and
She's reading you a story.
whistled and shouted and called them by name.
Can you say thank you, Nani?
To record, move switch to unlock position. To record, move switch to record, move switch to unlock position.
Logan, look at me. Say thank you, Nani.
Then in a twinkling I heard on the roof rattling and thundering each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was
Who's on that page? Who's that?
a wink of his eye and a twist of his head.
Santa Claus.
No, I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, as he drove out of sight, Merry Christmas to
That's all. That's the last page.
all, a good night.
Say bye-bye.